Hello, I'm Steve the Archer, back with another video. I have been watching some of these cresting videos online, and have seen that lots of people do really nice crestings. So I decided to try it on my own, and I tried to do it for with the stuff what I'm having around. Wood slaying in a workshop. Use your imagination.
Imagination.
Or just use the stuff what you have around. Do it DIY, do it yourself type of thing. And maybe run then and buy the cresting machine. And I did a little setup for this. To work you will need battery powered drill or any other drill. You will need a nail and piece of wood, and that's it. And some color, yeah, of course. I spray painted this part white, like neon green Nox, and I have the Posca pen, and I will try to make a nice cresting. So I will have white and one black and white feather, those green Nox, and some green and black crestings. So that's the plan for today. I have some 2, 4, 6, 7 arrows
Yeah, boy.
that I had laying around. Let me show you my setup. My cheapest cresting setup on the internet, I believe. Let's see it. So we have it. So I have my shafts, arrow point, and this little battery powered drill. I have something to support it a little bit. This is not needed, but I was putting just to hold it in place, and I will show you now. And I have a little nail here. This little nail, and I put the arrow in like this so that it doesn't move way too much around. And that's about it. So, and you turn it. Of course, some redneck engineering with a zip tie. So you just zip tie this little body here in, and it's turning around. I did some markings on this piece of cardboard so that I can see them from here. So when I go with the pen, I will just touch here, touch here, touch here, and I make as well from Posca. Those are like acrylic color pens. You can use them on anything. Use it on any surfaces. Acrylic white paint and acrylic low markers. I'll try to put my camera directly in front of it. Yeah, it's a little bit crazy, but it's pretty sturdy. So if you want to try cresting and you're on a budget, try this. This is either way stuff what you have probably laying around. So yeah. It's definitely not perfect. I'm doing it first time, but for the first time I'm pretty happy with this. We'll see how it will turn out when the feathers are there, but yeah, you get the point. Put the arrows to dry, put them in a jig, and get some feathers.
3 hours later.
So a couple of hours have passed by because this color just didn't want to dry. So let's try to do it. I decided to color this in full and then put the 3 black lines. I guess it's going to look a little bit better, but yeah, I will do it now again, and I will show you then a finished cresting when I'm done. So let's hope that this works. So after some time, and putting all of the feathers on the arrows, I'm left with a beautiful, like, arrow crestings. I think they really look good. Fits awesome to the arrow. And I did with the stuff what I had laying around. So spray paint cost me $3. The knocks I had, the feathers I had at home, the Posca pens I had at home. So all of this did not cost much. And I tried something new. This just shows you that you don't need to buy everything just to make something new or to try something. I hope that inspired you a little bit to try different stuff. But they're extremely similar all. I'm really happy. The sizes, the fitment, the like distances, they all look same. This trick with the little paper, cardboard paper, just to put under, keep it as a stencil, worked pretty good. I have some couple of nice arrows to shoot my bows with. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. It was a spontaneous video today because a buddy of mine asked me, do I know something about cresting? And I really don't. I never thought about it. I just, yeah, mostly buy arrows with cresting on it, or they don't have any, and I really didn't care much about it. But this is pretty cool, yeah. So let's see if I will stick with this, or I will just forget that I ever did it. But still, I didn't spend much money to try something new, and I have did something cool, something interesting, and yeah, that's all about learning and having fun while you do it. Hope you liked it. See you next one.